Install the Precedent Headlight Harness with the optional Y harness. Connect the Precedent Headlight Harness to the 6-pin connector coming from the previously installed dash harness. The longest cable on the headlight harness extends to the driver's side. For better cable management, tie the headlight harness along the inner cowl edge. If you're not going to reinstall the factory bumper and not add the optional max light bar, skip to the next video. But if you're installing the optional max light bar, configure the headlight harness now. Disconnect the headlight harness from the dash harness. Now, connect the Phoenix Y harness to the dash harness 6-pin connector. Then, connect the Y harness connector with the yellow wire side to the headlight harness. The remaining Y harness connector is now available to connect the optional max light bar. DoubleTake, because looks matter.